Good morning children, welcome to class 5 computer. So today we are going to learn the lesson MS PowerPoint children. Okay, PowerPoint. What is this PowerPoint? So PowerPoint is a software package only children where you can make presentations using slides children. See, you could have been playing. So one picture is there. The pictures, each picture you can make it to show one by one children continuously with a time gap. Okay, so it is also a software package created by the Microsoft Office Word children. Okay, and then to present information in the form of presentation. Okay, so when the teacher asks you present for about a topic, so what you will do, you will prepare that topic. If any pictures is there, you will draw, and near the board or in front of your class you will be presenting the topic children. The same thing we can do it in the computer so that it looks attractive and decorative also children. So how to open that Microsoft PowerPoint, that one we will see children. So go to start, all programs, Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So like this your PowerPoint window will get opened children. Okay, the next one you could have observed here. See, click to add title, click to add subtitle. So what we can do is, see, suppose our topic is pollution. Okay, so what we can do, we can type here children, pollution. So we can tell this one as a text box. Okay, this one as a text box children. See, I am typing here pollution. Okay, so that is the heading we are giving, and then you can type about pollution. So pollution harms our environment. Pollution harms our environment. Pollution harms our environment. Like this types of pollution are also there children. So one by one you can create slides here children. So for that, go and click the new slide. See, one more slide getting added children. So like this you can create the slides. Okay. So now here, see how it looks children. So it will look neat. Okay. So pollution is the heading. So we have written about the pollution harms our environment. Using we have typed inside the text box children. Okay. Now this one we can format it children. Okay. So this one pollution. So as it is the heading, we can click on this. Okay, select this. We can make it bold children. So go to the font group here. See, bold. So click that. So it will become bold. Okay, you can observe it children. So little the size also I will increase. You can increase the font size children. How your presentation should look neat. So you will only decide children. So pollution. So this font also we will increase children, so that it is visible for you. Okay. So pollution harms our environment. This one. The next one is, we can make it italic. So select the word. So here children, italic. See, I am clicking over here. So little tilted it is. Okay, pollution. Now we can underline this one also children. So go on the font group, click underline. See, a underline will come over here. See, for this caption. And we have learned how to change the font size also children. Okay, the shortcut key you can use. Okay, control plus the square bracket you can use children. Increase or decrease the size. The next one is changing the font size. So go to this font group. Here you have the font styles children. So that one you can change. So go and click this drop down. See, so many. This one is is coming. See, I am keeping Arial black. So this has changed. Okay, so one more font style I will keep. See, this one. See, the font style has changed. So one more. See this copper black, this one. Okay, this one. See, the font style gets changed, children. So the same thing I will keep it for this one also. Okay, so copper black. See, the way the style of the text got changed, children. Okay, these are all comes under formatting. Then we can keep it. Okay, alignment, children. Left alignment, center, right, like that. So I am selecting this word, clicking the left alignment, children. Okay, so it has moved to the left now. Then selecting the same word. See here, it is in the paragraph group. It is in the paragraph group. So I am clicking the right alignment. So when I click that, so it goes to the right, children. Okay, so now again we will keep it in the center. Okay, I am clicking here. See, it has come to the center, children. Okay, these are the formatting one. The next one is word art. Okay, so we will do it in the second slide, children. So click to the second slide. Okay, so word art, we can add the picture, children. Okay, so so for that you can go to insert. Okay, go to insert. You have the word art. Observe here, children. Go to insert tab and here you have the word art. Okay, click on to the word art. See, a different styles of your letters will come, children. Anything you can take. Okay, I am clicking this one. See, you are type your text here. So I am just typing here land pollution. Okay, land pollution, children. Okay, so see, observe this one letter, children. So it looks beautiful. Okay, we can change this one also, children. See, so many styles are there. See, you can change the colors also. Here you have the three things are there, children. Themes you can apply over here for your text and all. You can apply the themes, children. See, so for that, see, once again here I will click. Okay, one more time, insert word art. Okay, different one we will select, children. See this orange color. Okay, so move it over here. Okay, I have moved it over here. So we will type. Okay, so I am typing here water pollution. So in this way you can include the word art. So it will look beautiful, children. So water pollution, I am changing the size of it, children. Okay, so let it be increased. Okay, so this one also I am just improved. Observe here, children, this land pollution, a shadow is being formed over here. See, these are all themes, children, you can apply it. So now select this word, you go to applying the themes, children. Okay, shape fill. See, different colors you can fill, children. See, I am changing it to yellow color. See, this one background has been changed to yellow color. Then shape outline. Okay, you can shape, select the outline also, children. See, you could have observed a green color border like this be put for this text, children. Then shape effects, children. Okay, so you can create a shadow. Okay, already shadow it is there. Okay, see the land pollution, shadow is down. So different effects we will see, children. So glow I will give. Okay, so this one. Go to select this one, glow, and then Can you observe, children? A glow, a shade over here. This one, this is glow. So like this, you can use these three options, children. Shape fill, shape outline, shape effects. These three things you can use, children. Okay. So next one is quick styles. Okay. Quick styles, children. See, you can apply it like this. See, you can apply it to your this word art, this thing. So land pollution. So it gives an effect to the displays, children. Okay, this slide. Okay. So again we will try to change and see. See this orange color. Otherwise some other way. So that it should be pleasant, children. Okay. So this is very bright. So this is little okay mild. Okay. See. Like this, you can change the styles, children. For your words or the text, you can add effects, children. Okay. These are called quick styles. Okay. The next one is bullets and numbering, children. So I am clicking on to the third slide, children. I will change the layout now. Okay. So here I will just moving it up. You can only design this page, children. Okay. So whichever you want you can keep, otherwise if you don't want you can delete it, children. So here you observe, children, in the paragraph group you have the bullets and the numbering. Okay. So here we will type types of pollution. Okay. Types of pollution. Now observe here, children. Here I am going and clicking the bullets. In the paragraph group you have the bullets, children. So click on to that. Okay. So it is coming in the left middle, children. So I am keeping the alignment to keep it on the left side. See, it has moved to the left side, children. Okay. So next, see, I will add now. So the bullets are will be entered one by one. So types of pollution, land pollution. Okay. Then next one, water pollution. Water pollution. Then air pollution. Air pollution. So I could have observed here, children, the bullets. Okay, 1, 2, 3 like this. The bullets coming. So they are all types of pollution you can add, children. And another way is the same thing. We can include numbers also, children. See, I am going and clicking the numbers. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, here you have the 1. So here I will type the same thing, land pollution. Land pollution. The next, second one. So automatically the number comes, children. So water pollution. Okay. So like this you can add this one, children. Next, one more topic is smart art, children. Okay. So here you have the smart art. So you can insert so many things, children. Okay, this is a higher level only. So smart art graphic. Okay, you can click any to this and you can include it in your. See, it will come like this, children. See, you can type. You can create the designs. Already it is there. Just you have to type or add the pictures over that, children. Okay. So this is a use of smart art, children. Okay. So you can draw rectangles or squares, anything, any shapes you want, you can change it, children. You can change to the colors also, any design, so that it looks attractive, children. So that is the main point over here. Okay. So take your textbook and read, children. We'll see in the next class. Thank you.